Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make utensils with mud. First, finding the right mud is absolutely crucial for creating strong, lasting pieces. You need clay-rich soil, not sandy dirt, for proper cohesion and a smooth finish. Test a small amount by adding water. It should feel smooth and pliable, similar to firm dough, allowing easy shaping without cracking. This preparation step ensures your utensils will hold up well. Once your mud is perfectly prepared, you can begin the exciting process of shaping your utensils using simple hand-building techniques. For a spoon, start with a small, rounded ball, pressing and pinching it gently into a shallow bowl shape. You can then carefully draw out a handle from the same piece, smoothing all edges as you go. Remember to work slowly and deliberately, keeping the mud slightly damp to prevent any unwanted cracking. After shaping your mud utensils, the drying process is incredibly critical for preventing cracks and significantly strengthening your creations. Place them in a shaded, well-ventilated area, carefully avoiding direct sunlight during the initial stage, which can cause rapid, uneven drying. Allow them to air dry completely for at least 3 to 5 days, or even longer for thicker pieces. They should feel very light and be uniformly lighter in color before moving forward. Once your mud utensils are thoroughly air-dried, it is time for the final hardening and finishing touches. You can smooth any rough spots or imperfections with a slightly damp cloth or a small, smooth stone, then gently polish the entire surface. For basic hardening, expose them to direct sunlight for an additional 1 or 2 days, turning them periodically to ensure even sun hardening. This simple process creates surprisingly durable, natural utensils, perfect for many outdoor uses.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.